Welcome back, friends. Listen, it's something a lot of people are looking for: tighter or toner skin, and of course, less fat. Well, there's a non-surgical treatment that is said to help with just that. It's called EvolveX. And today, Dr. Ali Sadeghi, also known as Dr. Nola, is here to tell us all about it. Welcome to the show, Dr. Nola.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
I like that name, okay? And look, I like the sound of this treatment. Okay, it's called EvolveX, and this is something that we can actually wear?
Yeah, it's a wearable treatment. This is very popular these days. Patients want to come in, have something that produces results, that's somewhat inexpensive, and has probably zero to no recovery downtime.
Come on.
Yes. So it's a radio frequency device that patients wear. You can wear it on your abdominal area, arms, thighs, buttock, whatever. And the main thing that this device does is three things: tightens skin, burns fat, and tones muscle, and it uses radio frequency energy to do that.
That is amazing. You all are seeing some video right there: tight, tone, and transform, which is amazing. Now, I'm guessing there are, of course, some differences when it comes to each function. One uses what, radio frequency, the other one uses electrical muscle stimulation?
That's right, yeah. So radio frequency has been around for a long time, and it's a type of heat energy that we use. And when we heat tissue, it tends to tighten. And when you heat fat, it tends to melt. So the combination of those two things together are used to tighten skin and melt fat under the skin. And you can use that on the arms, abdomen, thighs, and the electrical muscle stimulation part of it works really well for the abdominal area and also for the buttock area to give you a little lift. So when you combine everything together, it's a very amazing, technological advancement that's led to the treatment for patients with great results.
And when it comes to the transform feature, the third feature, it uses both the radio frequency and electrical muscle stimulation. How does it transform? Does it make like my butt look nice and big again? How does it work when it comes to that part?
Yeah, so when we work on the buttock area, we don't want to really melt fat. So the main function of the device is to use EMS to stimulate the muscle. So doing workout at the gym, for example, doing squats. On the abdominal area, it's like doing sit-ups. So the EMS function tones the muscle and it gives you a really nice flat abdomen. And the buttock area, it's lifting the buttock up. But if you want to tighten skin, melt some fat, and the tighten and trim function are the ones that you want to use.
This is fascinating. So I have to use this and I don't have to work out and I get the same results. Sounds good to me. And we have some before and afters. We want to show people of the different areas that you can use it on. Talk to me about how long the treatment lasts. So say we come into your office, we want the EvolveX. What do you all do?
Yeah, so after a consultation, we have to make sure that this is the right treatment plan for you because, sometimes these treatments have limitations. So we want to make sure you're the right candidate, which is the patient that is at the ideal body weight, that has some moderate to moderate skin laxity that wants some tightening. Maybe a little bit of a fatty deposit area, stubborn fat that needs to be melted. So the consultation takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and the treatment is about roughly between 45 to 60 minutes, and we're doing this about 6 to 10 times to get you through the process.
How often? Like weekly, monthly?
You can do it weekly. You can, we recommend that you do it weekly. It works best when it's done more frequently. As a matter of fact, we have memberships in my office. Patients sign up for annual memberships with this device, and they come in on an as-needed basis whenever they want. And if you have an event that you want to go to and you want to get toned up and feel a little bit tighter.
Of course, that size too that I've been looking to be in.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's about a 45 to 60 minute long treatment, and the results, you can see results immediately, but for the best results, you typically wait about 3 to 6 weeks as the fat dissolving
function.
Go
away. Yes, because we want the fat to go away. Okay, summer is here. You hear me? And I'm so curious, are there any side effects at all? Any recovery time?
No recovery time, and the side effects are just looking great.
Okay, well, I like that. That is so impressive to me. Again, it's called EvolveX. EvolveX, beautiful people. And the ideal candidate is, like you mentioned, somebody who maybe just has a little bit extra that they want to go away. But this isn't an end-all, be-all necessarily to keeping that size too, right? You still have moderate exercise, you got to eat right and all that as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, lifestyle modifications, eating healthy, being healthy, working out, those things are a must. But this is something that can, is the cherry on top. Just want to get a quick result and, help those stubborn fat areas. This is the way to go.
Come on, well, look, Dr. Ali, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations on this treatment. And look, if you all want more information about EvolveX, you can contact Dr. Sadeghi. Guess what? Call him 504-688-4492 or log